going on, y'all? Continuing the Crush City lineup from Rapala. These are the new sizes of the Mooch Minnows. We're going to introduce these to y'all. We have the 2.5 and we have the 4.5. So the typical Mooch Minnow, the original one that came out, was a 3.5 size. These are going to go up and also down. If you're not familiar with the Mooch Minnow, this is a super TPE bait, meaning it is very, very stretchy. A very unique piece on this bait here is the little prop tail at the back. So even with very minimal action imparted on the rod, this bait has a very good just secondary action, which helps draw in a lot of bites. This bait overall is a great bait for strolling. Of course, a lot of money has been won on this bait in particular, the 3.5 Mooch Minnow, red crest, actually I think 2 red crest, as well as a wide assortment of other tournaments across the country. These guys right here, again, being TPE, extremely, extremely durable. You can pair these up with the new VMC tungsten jig heads, which give you an amazing, amazing feel through the water and return on forward-facing sonar. Because of the tungsten, it is harder, so it actually reflects the sonar a little bit better than your standard lead heads. Now, another cool thing about these is the props are very, very similar, so you're still gonna get a good amount of action off each of these. I will say, the bigger you go in size, the more extenuated action you're gonna get, just because there's more material on it. Again, these are going to be coming in a wide variety of colors and 2 new sizes for the Mooch Minnow. We're very excited to get these in. Of course, if you were at the show, definitely spend some time taking a look at these. These are really, really cool, as well as just super, super effective, especially in the wintertime and the summertime when fish key in on smaller bait, as well as bigger bait. So thanks for coming to WeCast, and hope to see you next year. Thanks for watching, guys.